So this is a short video to walk you through the integration of Nuance's passive authentication and fraud prevention solution with Amazon Connect. What I want to do first is walk you through what it is our solution is trying to do. Although we have a few features and checks, our voice biometrics is the core, heart and soul of everything that we do as a part of our solution. And every user has about 100 different characteristics to their voice, and it's based on both behavioral and physical characteristics that make your voice print unique to you. So, part of behavioral could include pronunciation, your emphasis, your accent, how quickly do you speak, and then the physical characteristics have more to do with the unique physical traits of your vocal tract, the shape of your mouth, nasal passages, etc., etc. What you see here is just a list of all of our, different types of detectors and features. What I want to highlight are the ones that we would use for contact center. Our biometrics engine include voice and conversation print. That would be valid for the contact center. Conversation print is something unique to Nuance, and it's based on the signature of the words that you use as a part of your authentication, and it's also used for fraud detection, of course. We also have the Nuance device print to detect that you're calling from the same device you normally would. We have some intelligent detectors. We have some anti-spoofing capabilities as well, if the ANI is spoofed, for example, or if it's a playback attack or synthetic speech. And of course, we can always add some personalization factors. In our demo, we merely just repeat back the caller's name just to make it feel, like there's some common ground between, the contact center that they're calling and, makes it more personal for them. So I want to walk you through the architecture that we use for the demo, and what we're trying to do is we use the Kinesis video stream for the live stream, and the Kinesis agent is for the agent events, for the login, the logout, as well as the call events. And the Amazon connector is used to handle the agent events. And what we have is the web agent logic, which is, what we're trying to do for product, for productizing is we'll have our own web agent, which you can see on the slide here. But for the sake of the demo, we are using the Amazon contact control panel for the agent. Everything is fed into our processing server, and, that's pretty much where the business flow occurs. What you see here is our passive authentication. This is the widget that we have for the demo itself, but in production it's going to look more like this. And I'll be walking you through some of these demos in a moment. I also want to point out that we're also a fraud prevention solution, and we're looking to detect fraudsters on as many calls as we can. We can detect fraud on enrollment calls if we need to. What we typically do is we'll send any authentication mismatch, opted out, and locked voice prints to our fraud detection solution to be able to detect fraud and give the agent an indication that there is some fraudulent activity occurring. So without further ado, let's go through these demos. The first demo I'm going to show is a true user calling against their own account to authenticate against their voice print that's already on their account.
Hi Dima, your voice will be used for verification. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
Hi, my name is Dima Chiki, and I'm calling to check on my account balance. Yes, my account number is.
Hi Dima, your voice will be used for verification. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
Hi, my name is Dima Chiki, and I'm calling to check on my account balance. Yes, my account number is 514-402-4516. Yes, thank you very much. I am the only account holder. And yes, I'm looking for the checking account.